Alright boys and girls, and welcome to this video where I'll show you how much my small gaming channel made in August 2022. So if we begin here, as you can see, on the 1st of August we made $1, then we were steadily going up and down, $1, less than $1 here, and then suddenly my channel started popping off. It's because I made Tower of Fantasy videos, which was a very popular game. It just came out. So $4 here, $6 right here, $9.02, and then again started going down. I would make one banger video, boom, we get $10, and then $3, $4, steadily going down. Right here, this is inflated because I was streaming and somebody donated, that's why we got $6. And then here again it started going down, and this is hyperinflated because again we got a donation from streaming. It's not my actual RPM and CPM. So in total for the month of August, I'm gonna show you right now. If we just click August, as you can see, for the month of August we made $114.82, and 88,000 views essentially. So that is how much we made. As for the past months, in July we made $62, $83 in June, in May $169. So those are my stats, boys. Make sure you like and subscribe for monthly reports. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.